Hello. How much is this?
Hello! $5 only.
Is this bird handmade?
Yes, handmade by me.
Is it wooden?
Yes, made of wood.
Do you have more colors?
Yes, many colors.
Can I see another one?
Yes, here you go.
Is this a good price?
Yes, very good price.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, cards are fine.
Do you have a bigger one?
Yes, right over there.
How much is the bigger one?
$10 only.
Is it the same design?
Yes, same beautiful design.
Do you have small gifts?
Yes, many small gifts.
What do you recommend?
This pottery is popular.
Is this pottery local?
Yes, made here locally.
Is it fragile?
Yes, please be careful.
Will you wrap it?
Yes, I will wrap.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, free bag included.
Is shopping here fun?
Yes, very fun.
Do you sell rugs too?
Yes, colorful rugs.
Is this rug soft?
Yes, very soft.
How much is the rug?
$20 only.
Can I negotiate the price?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you go lower?
Yes, $18 then.
That sounds fair.
Yes, very fair price.
Do you have postcards?
Yes, right here.
How much for postcards?
$1 each.
Can I buy 5?
Yes, $4 total.
That is a good deal.
Yes, special deal today.
Do you have paintings?
Yes, beautiful paintings.
Who made these paintings?
Local artists made them.
Are they expensive?
No, very affordable.
Can I see the price?
Yes, written right there.
Is this market popular?
Yes, very popular.
Do tourists come here often?
Yes, every single day.
Is this your shop?
Yes, my family shop.
How long have you sold here?
10 years now.
Do you have jewelry?
Yes, handmade jewelry.
Is this necklace pretty?
Yes, very pretty.
How much is it?
$15 only.
Can I try it on?
Yes, here is a mirror.
Does it look good?
Yes, looks great on you.
I will take it.
Great choice. Thank you.
Do you have ceramic cups?
Yes, many cup designs.
Are they dishwasher safe?
Yes, very durable.
I like this one.
Good choice. Very popular.
Do you have a discount?
Yes, for 2 items.
What is the discount?
10% off total.
That sounds great.
Yes, very good deal.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Do you have small bills?
Yes, here is change.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Do you ship items?
No, only local sale.
That is okay.
No problem at all.
Is this market open daily?
Yes, every single day.
What time do you close?
We close at 8.
Do you have business cards?
Yes, here you go.
I might come back.
Please come back anytime.
Do you have other shops?
Yes, 2 more shops.
Where are they located?
Just down this street.
I will check them out.
Great. Enjoy your shopping.
This was a great experience.
Thank you for visiting.
I love this market.
We love our customers.
Will you recommend me?
Yes, tell your friends.
I definitely will.
Thank you very much.
Do you have souvenirs for kids?
Yes, small wooden toys.
Are they safe for kids?
Yes, completely safe.
How much are the toys?
$3 each toy.
I will take 2.
$6, please, then.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is change.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Will this market grow bigger?
Yes, every single year.
Do you enjoy this work?
Yes, I love it.
Is this your passion?
Yes, my true passion.
That is wonderful to hear.
Thank you so much.
I hope you succeed.
Thank you. Kind words.
Goodbye. Thank you again.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
This was a wonderful market.
Yes, glad you enjoyed it.
I found great gifts here.
Wonderful. Happy shopping today.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Anytime, friend.